Have you ever encountered an error message that leaves you scratching your head? One such error is GetComputerNameA. Cannot access computer name. If you're here, chances are you've stumbled upon this frustrating issue and are looking for a solution. Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive into what causes this error, how to troubleshoot it, and provide a step-by-step guide on how to resolve it. As we explore this topic, keep in mind that understanding computer names and their role in system administration is crucial. A computer name is essentially a unique identifier assigned to a device on a network. It allows devices to communicate with each other, making it an essential component of network setup and management. With that context set, let's dive into the tournament. The error message, GetComputerNameA, cannot access computer name typically occurs when there's an issue with retrieving or accessing a computer name on a Windows system. This problem can stem from various sources, including corrupted registry entries, incorrect configuration settings, or even malware infection. Let's break down each possible cause and explore how to address it. Firstly, corrupted registry entries might be causing the error. The registry is a critical database that stores settings for your operating system and application. Over time, it can become cluttered with outdated or corrupted entries, leading to issues like this one. To fix this, you'll need to clean up the registry using a trusted third-party cleaning tool. Secondly, incorrect configuration settings could be the culprit. This might involve misconfigured network settings, DNS issues, or problems with the system's hostname. Ensuring that your network settings are correctly configured and your DNS is functioning properly can resolve this issue. Lastly, malware infections should not be ruled out as a potential cause. Malicious software can tamper with system files, leading to errors like this one. Running a full scan using an up-to-date antivirus program can help identify and remove any malware. To troubleshoot the error further, you can try restarting your computer in safe mode or performing a system file checker, SFC, scan. These steps will help isolate if there's a problem with system files or drivers. The GetComputerNameA cannot access computer name error is often related to issues with the Windows registry, configuration settings, or malware infection. Troubleshooting involves cleaning up registry entries, checking network and DNS configurations, and scanning for malware. Restarting in safe mode or performing an SFC scan can help identify system file or driver problems. We hope this video has provided you with a comprehensive guide on how to tackle the GetComputerNameA cannot access computer name error. Remember, understanding your computer's name and its role is crucial for smooth network operations. If you are still facing issues after trying out our suggested solutions, please don't hesitate to share more details in the comments below. If this video has been helpful, consider liking it and subscribing for more content on system administration and troubleshooting tips. Your support helps us continue creating high-quality videos designed to make tech easier for everyone. Thanks for watching.